Hello, this is Scott. So I wanted to do a quick video on geocoding into Spotfire. If you're having a problem with the map not representing, I'm running it into this sometimes, so I thought I would include it as a hint or tip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this simple file right here. This is some risk factors for health by state, actually by county, and so I can create a state map or a county map here. So if I go in, and this is, I'm using Spotfire 10.8, 10.7 or 10.8, one of the two. So if I go into a new page, and let's suppose that I want to do something by state, you see how this is category instead of a location, which it really should be. That's going to keep me from doing a map that I want to. So if I pick like state and let's say obesity, then the map shows up. But once I go to the map, I've got feature by state, but I'm not getting any color, right, in North America. And if you notice here, there's a little checkbox here, right? So incorrect configuration. If I click on that and it says configure geocoding, so this is okay. This is actually my state data, but it's not mapping into Spotfire's map layer. So what I'll need to do is I'll need to add the information from Spotfire server. So if I go into USA states, I'll click OK. And then, so I've got that. What I don't have is I don't have the, from here, the column matches. So if I go, what I did is I just clicked down here, right? So I've got state, USA states, edit column matches, and then I'm going to need to define a mapping from state to state. So here's my data set that we just loaded at the very beginning. And so I want to use state, and I want to take that and I want to match it into the United States map, so it's available with Spotfire server. And what I'll do is I'll click here, state. You can see here, sample value, Alabama, Alaska. If I do a preview, then I can see that the states are lining up correctly. And so I'll just close this and I'll say OK here, and then I'll apply this, and then I'll click OK and close. And then now I've got my map, and from here I can change and do my geocoding. Same thing if I wanted to use county in that original data. So anyway, I hope that was useful, and I look forward to seeing you next time.